Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix the Instagram stories not uploading problem. So head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your design account and then head over to your stories section. So if you can't post a story in there, there might be some issues like there might be some cache problem. Cache files have been stored in your Instagram and there might be some glitches too. So how you can fix that? You can go back and here keep tapped on your Instagram, tap on the info icon on the top right. Now go to storage and here clear the cache. And once you do it, try to upload a story. So if you can't upload a story, that means you're facing a problem, still facing a problem. So what you need to do is just to head over to your Play Store and see if there is any update available for Instagram. So if there is any update available, you can see it in here and install it from here. And if the problem still persists, you have to uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And last but not the least, you can try is to see if your network connection is steady. If your Wi-Fi is not steady, then just move to your mobile network or mobile data. So hopefully these fixes will solve this issue and we'll see you in the next video.